the new home of Unit 18, even though I can't really call it Unit 18 anymore, but I will continue to. Mainly because this is not Unit 18, this is now Unit 10, so close enough. But yeah, so as you've just seen, we've just finished taking the K10 shell all the way from my old unit and about an hour and a bit to here. From last time you saw it, there's been a lot more that I've done, so there's a lot more on the car now, just because I wanted to get as much on the car ready for transport, so I've got less to transport in a van, where I can damage stuff easier. When it's on the car, there's less likely for it to be damaged. It was very heavy rain today, so the car is just caked in dirt, and as you can see there's no windshield, so I wrapped plastic sheeting around, which is quite funny to watch wave out the wind, but it did the job. Yeah, now this is here. The unit's quite big, this is bigger than the other one. Yeah, I mean this should be quite good. It'll kind of be a similar style to the other one. I'll have an area here where I set the sofa up, got all my shelves, everything like that, and then this bit here will be the main car I work on, and then there's a spot there for where I can leave a car for when it's not being worked on. Yeah, so that is probably me done for the day. I'm going to be continuing to transport a couple extra bits in the Audi. The Audi's not exactly the biggest, so tomorrow I've rented a van, and hopefully we'll move everything from the old unit into here, and I'll take you along for that so we can just watch everything, collect in here. So yeah, should be good. Here we are, next day now, and I have a very big van. So we'll be using this today to take, hopefully, everything that's left in the unit into there, down to the new one, just so we can, because next weekend is the last weekend I have this unit, so I need to get as much done as I can today, ideally, hopefully, to be honest. I might even be able to do this in 1 or 2 trips, but we'll see. So we'll get loaded and we'll find out. Really, really windy, but now for the first trip anyway, big stuff. A couple of engines still there. I don't know if you know what I'm saying because it's not really. Either way, halfway there. So we'll be taking this back to the unit, taking this all out, putting it in the new unit, then come back here and then do the rest. It's been a couple of days now. Everything has been moved out. Last shot you saw was me doing the first load of the van. I realised that I had a lot to do and not a lot of time, so I kind of just focused on chucking everything to the new unit, chucking it all on the floor, driving back here. I got the engines and all the more fragile stuff on the second load. And like I say, by the time I finished, it was pretty dark, pretty late. Yeah, so today has been the final day that we are here. As you can see, everything's empty, everything is clean. And yeah, this is now the final day of Unit 18 really. The next thing we'll do now is we'll probably head to the new unit, and like I say, I literally dumped everything on the floor, so there's a complete mess in there. So I just need to reorganise everything. But for now, yeah, this is the last you will and I will see of this unit. So it's looking forward to seeing the new one. Hello, we're back. We're now fully moved into the new unit, as you can see. We've got the K10 here. We've also got a little something over there. If you follow my Instagram, you may in about a year ago. I picked up this little co-pen for £1,000, which was a bargain. Very little rust on it, nothing really wrong with it. But recently it's come back into my possession, and it's been daily driven for a year, so it needed a bit of work. So that's why this is in here. It's got the BBSs from the Micro on it, which are really good. And then just a few bits like the ball joint boots or splits, I've done them. New tie rod ends, bled the brakes, new brakes, everything like that. Headlights were really foggy, cleaned all of them, they're nice and shiny now. Just a lot of general maintenance stuff, so that's gonna be kind of my fun kind of summer car, like daily as well. So obviously I've got the Audi 80 there, but not long until that comes in here to be worked on. So I've got a nice other daily, a bit of a fun car. It is a convertible, but the roof doesn't work. But I'm in the process of fixing that, so we'll try and see how easy that's going to be. We are in the unit now finally. It's really actually quite a bit bigger than the old one. As you can see, 2 cars fit in here very nicely, and I've got space around each of them to work on them. Everything's set up, all the stuff's around, the shelves up with parts, and then there's just so much more space in here. It's great. Yeah, we're gonna get started on the K10 again now. The co-pen's basically done. Still loads to do on this. We need to crack on. So I think today is gonna be actually jacking the car up, taking all the suspension off, because I've got a little box over there which I'm quite excited. So we'll open that in a second, because I haven't actually opened it myself yet. It's been sat there for about 2 weeks. So I'm really excited. First let's have a look at this box. See what's in it. Coilovers unpacked, they look amazing. But now what we need to do, as when I was transporting this, I put the bonnet and fenders on. Obviously, as you can see, they're just loosely on. So that's what we do now, is take off basically the entire front end, just so it gives us way more space to work with. I've made a decision. Originally we were going to take these lower control arms off and give them a clean up, give them a paint. But these ball joints are just, or the stud for the ball joint going into the hub, I can't get them off. So, and then looking further at this strut, there's a bit of surface rust. The bushings look okay though, but other than that, it's pretty sturdy. So I'm just going to leave it. It's fine. Yeah, that's looking pretty good, and I can already tell from looking at the other side of the other wheel, this is a hell of a lot lower already. Oh my god. As you can see, I've put this wheel back on. I've done the suspension on this side now, coilovers on this side. I just kind of wanted to see, because it looked a lot lower, like just the hub, it looked a lot higher up. So I thought I'd put a wheel on, quickly just chuck this over the top, and yeah, that is a hell of a lot lower, as you can see. Comparison to the one behind, quite a lot lower, and this is in the air, so when it's on the floor, with the weight of the car, that's going to be easy to float. Yeah, I think now we'll do the rears, they should be nice and really, so yeah, let's crack on. Both sides now are done. Got both coilovers in on the back. You can clearly see how much higher it is. So I've got a wheel. I just want to see, just want to chuck it up here and then see just how low it is. There's a
lot lower. So
yeah, there we go. So yeah, all coilovers are now in, which is very nice. I mean, I need to do the brakes. I don't have brakes on now, so that'll be next weekend's job. That will be it for this video. You know, just a summary of moving the units and obviously the most exciting part of the coilovers. So yeah, but now we're here. We're finally in, and you know, like you see, we're getting on and cracking. Not long now until all of the suspension done, and I can start working on the engine and then begin to put the engine in. So we're not too far off now. So just a few more bits to buy, the engine to go back in, and then wiring and gearbox in, clutch in, drive shafts in, yeah, exhaust, small stuff, So yeah, that's it for now. So yeah, see you next weekend.